Reporting and financial management before Fresh projects was a combination of many spreadsheets, various softwares, and now the main thing for us is that everything is on one system. It's centralised, and the permissions for people can be catered to allow them to see what we want them to see. It's all in one place.
The biggest operational challenges, time that it used to take to collate information into one place. And Fresh has given us the opportunity to collate all data into one single source of the truth. For us, we have a lot of projects which we run out of this hub, the East Midlands. We were finding challenges with reporting all of that information across 5 different spreadsheets into one place. And Fresh has given us the opportunity to have all of that information in one place, where we can split it by business unit if we need to, or we can report it as a whole for the whole hub that we have here in the East Midlands.